So still spending hours making the boring PowerPoint presentation manually. What if I told you that with just Google Gemini and the NotebookLM, you can create professional stunning presentation for absolutely free in just 1 minute. Alright, so you need to come to this website notebooklm.google.com. I will be leaving the link in the description. And once you come up here, you will be getting this kind of simple dashboard, and here you need to click on create new. Then it says create audio and video overviews from your document. Search the web for new sources. So here you need to write the topic of your presentation along with some suggestion what exactly you want, what kind of presentation you want. So now here, for example, I will write how to use AI to save 5 hours per week at work, including sources from expert or any research paper. So the topic will be how to use AI to save 5 hours per week at work, and this should include the sources from any kind of experts or any kind of research paper so that it can be an authentic presentation. Alright, so after writing this, once you hit the enter key, it will be analyzing and researching the website for all the detail, and very quickly it will collect all the information and show you the sources as well. So you need to click on the blue button that says import, and it will start importing all the information. So you have to wait for a while. And once it will be done, you will be getting this kind of information. So from the left hand side, you can view all the sources. Either you can check them or you can uncheck them. Like it gives me a couple of sources from the left hand side. So whichever I want to include, I can include it, or whichever you want to exclude, you can uncheck it. As of now, for this presentation, I will take all of them. So I will keep them all selected. So now once we have all the information, we are ready to create a PowerPoint presentation, but this cannot be done directly from the notebook, and you need to do this from the Gemini. But before that, we need to structure this presentation. So one more last time you will have to type, on the basis of all the sources in the notebook, create a 10 slide. This can be more or less. On title, how to use AI to save 5 hours per week at work. Keep in mind, each slide should include a title, few key points, and short note for the credibility. So you need to mention your requirement, that how many slides you want, what is the topic of your presentation, you need the title for each and every slide or not, and how many key points should be there. All the detail you have to mention like me. So after writing this, you have to hit the enter key again. So this time you can see the notebook has arranged each and every information in a structured way, in the proper way. Alright, so after this, finally we can come to the Gemini application. So bring up Gemini, and here first we have to make some changes. So click on the plus icon, then below where it says canvas, you need to select it, as this canvas is for writing or making any kind of slide. So choose canvas and then write, turn this into a 10 slide presentation with a short slide headline, a smooth transition, and even add relevant visual like timeline, charts, and key codes. Alright, so we also need to explain the Gemini that what exactly we want to do. And after doing this, copy all the information that we just created in the notebook. So again, go back to the notebook, copy all this information, and paste it here in the Gemini. And after doing this, just hit the enter key, and you will find very soon the Gemini will start creating the presentation. And on the right side, you can see even the preview, and it's been done. So it says slide 10 of 11, and you can see with a beautiful background image, it says strategic reinvestment. It shows me image sources. And if I come to the slide 1, it says the reality of AI time saving, and it shows me beautiful information in a beautiful graph. So after getting all the information, if you're okay, if you're satisfied with the presentation that Gemini has created, in order to download, you can click on the download icon on the right hand top, and your PowerPoint will be downloaded. So here you can view all the information that has been created with a beautiful and arranged manner, with all the kind of chart, with all kind of information, infographics. And even in future, if you're not satisfied with anything, if you want to add anything, if you want any kind of changes, then again come to the Gemini and add all the information that you want to be changed. So I will write make it more attractive and make another slide. That should be slide number 1 on how to use AI to save 5 hours per week. Alright, so whatever changes you want to make, you have to mention your requirement and again hit the enter key. And after some time, it will give you the result and it says I have polished the deck, redefined the design for the more professional and modern aesthetic and added a brand new opening. Alright, so this way you can make more changes in your slide, and once you are okay, you can go ahead and download it. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will find this information is really useful to create a stunning presentation now. And if this information was really useful for you, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.